Bojo Gaknaoyak. Here's another video that I created. This has something to do with bring, which is bij for singular form, bijik for plural forms. The older versions recognize it as bijoish for singular form, bijoishik for plural forms. Okay, so the first one is bij, bejik, asin, bring one stone or rock. Bijik, nijin, asinig, bring two stones or rocks. Bijik, nisin, nasemag, in this case, bring three tobaccos. And bijik, niwin, nasemag. So these are the nouns that we consider as living things, even though it doesn't have a heart or able to breathe. But we still recognize them as living things, besides the obvious ones, which are all anything to do with animals that I presented in earlier videos. So if you can recall some of these ones that I'm using here, I've talked about them in previous videos related to animate and inanimate nouns. Okay, on the other side, anything to do with inanimate nouns, onagan is a plate, bidon is to bring one plate, bidon refers to singular form. Bidonan is more than one, and that's the plural version of it. So bidon bejik onagan is bring one plate. Bidonan nijin onaganan, bring two plates. Bidonan nissen makazinan, bring three shoes, boots. Bidonan niwen makazinan, bring four shoes, boots. Okay, you will see, especially with the plural forms, there has to be an agreement here, such as bidonan, onaganan. Okay, similarly right here, bijik, asinig. Okay, without the number, it still makes sense. Like bij, asin, bijik, asinig, bijik, nasemag, bijik, nasemag. Again, similar right here, but added just a number more specifically. Okay, similarly here, onagan is a plate, more than one plate. And then I've also introduced makazin here. Makazin is a single shoe. Makazinan makes it a plural form. So bidonan, makazinan has to have an agreement. Bidonan, niwin, makazinan. In this case, more specific for shoes. Okay, you can pretty well do the same thing as bejik, bij, asin, nijin, bijik, asinig, nisin, nasemag, bijik, niwin, nasemag, bijik. So you can actually move these words around and still make sense, meaning these things here, the English forms of them. Okay, same thing with these ones here. Okay, so that's to bring. The next one is to place or put down. And these again are animate and inanimate with nouns and numbers. So yeah, it's again, it's a command. Okay, so I'm referring to these as commands. You're telling somebody what to do, what to bring or to put down. Okay, in this column, ase, bejik asin, let's place or put down one stone or rock. Asig, nijin, asinig, place, put down two stones or rocks. Asig, nisin, nasemag, place down three tobaccos. Asig, niwin, nasemag, place, put down four tobaccos. Okay, here's the inanimate form or non-living forms. Aton, singular, bejik, onagan, place, put down one plate. Atonan makes it a plural form. Nijin, onaganan. Again, an agreement here. Atonan, naganan, atonan makiznan, atonan nissen makiznan, atonan niwen makiznan. Okay, so place, put down 3 shoes, boots for atonan nissen makiznan. Atonan niwen makiznan, place, put down 4 shoes, boots. Atonan niwen makiznan, or you could say nissen atonan makiznan, niwen atonan makiznan. Again, you can play around with these words any way you want them and still make sense, which basically means these things here. Okay, so I hope that helps you out if you're following along with these short lessons I'm doing related to Severn Ojibwe language. And Gitchami Gretch for listening. Amiwa Binama.